Hello there, my devoted audience. In this video, we have a special plane for you. It is the Flite Test Mighty Mini Arrow. So, this is designed by Flite Test. Excuse me, why are you looking at me like that? Oh, I got a haircut. Do you like it? Oh, thanks. Okay, so this is the Flite Test Mighty Mini Arrow. This is a flying wing. I don't know if you can see all of it. You can see it's a flying wing. It's just a wing. It's not just like partly done. The whole plane is just a wing. It's called a flying wing. So you're probably wondering, how does this thing work? Because if you throw a wing that's straight into the air, it'll just somersault down and it will have zero directional stability and it will follow the sky. But this, as you can see, it's slicked back. So it's not straight. It's like slicked back. That gives it directional stability this way because it's farther back here than here. So that's how it doesn't somersault. And another thing is, you're wondering I do not get how this person controls this thing, because it doesn't have elevator, it doesn't have rudder, it only has ailerons. So I want to stop you from that agony. I'll explain. So like you're wondering, it only has two ailerons. It only looks like it has two ailerons, but it actually has elevons. So when you want to go up, both of them go up. And when you want to go down, both of them go down. So when you want to go up, want to go down, down. Then when you want to turn, one goes up and one goes down. That is it's all on the same control surfaces. So that's why they call it elevons, because they're ailerons and elevators combined. So yeah, and then how you turn is because you have no rudder, right? I'm not tricking you this time. There is no rudder on this thing. So you can go up like this, normal. But how you turn, you don't necessarily need a rudder. Just bank. And then imagine when you're near vertical, the aileron, the elevators, becomes a rudder, see? If you turn it, it pulls up. So, it moves, and it's like an elevator when you're like this, but then when you're like this, it's like a rudder. So you bank and then pull up. So it's like bank, you call it bank and yank. That's mainly how this thing works. You bank, then your elevator becomes a rudder, and you yank. So bank, bank, and yank. That's how you turn. So this is a Flite Test Mighty Mini Arrow. You can download the free plans. You just print them off of your printer, then cut them out on your own foam board. And yep, that's what this is made of. It's made of foam board, foam sandwiched with paper. So other than the electronics, your airframe is free. Other than the $2 of foam board, and the paint. So there'll be a link down below to where to the page of this plane. Again, I downloaded the free plans. You can also get the speed build kit, which cuts your build time in half because it's already cut out for you. You just have to buy it from Flite Test. So, no more talking. I'm bored of you talking. Let's go fly. Here it is. This is the flying wing. This is the first time I've actually flown a flying wing, and this is the maiden flight of it. We're running it off of a 654 cell, which has more power than a 3 cell. Bit windy, but let's try it.
Cool. Good job.
So it was really nose heavy. I was like pulling up a lot of the time. So I thought if anything it was going to be really tail heavy, but it isn't. So how does my camera work? I'll move the battery back. Here it is. We've got streamers on each side of the wing. Second flight. Battery charged up. It got a bit wet in the hull. This is awkward. It's all soggy. I'm tangled up. There we go. Okay. Can you hold this?
Oh, you won't take it all the way. Just drop it down and just be there a sec. You plugged in?
No.
Oh, okay. Put it in the pocket.
Yeah.
Now I can see it.
Still is really nose heavy. I'm gonna trim those. Those elevons up a bit.
Stringless tights, eh?
Yeah.
One second, I'm gonna bring her down.
Hey, Emmanuel.
Alright. Are we going minimalist today? a flying kite or is that
Wing.
a stealth bomber?
Whoa.
Made it, mister.
You built it yourself?
Yeah.
Once again, from plans, right?
Yeah.
Or did you design it yourself?
No, from plans, but
Cool.
I cut it out. Like the
Yeah,
only
yeah.
thing I made it from is paper.
Yeah, that foam board. Yeah, I see that.
Here it is. You can see my vinyl tape came. So I don't know if you noticed this. May have been hard to pick up on camera, but when I painted this, a bit of the paint got under the masking tape, so the line wasn't perfectly straight. It was sort of bumpy. So I got my vinyl tape and we put stripes on it. Also, before, I don't know what it was. Maybe it was like it was nose heavy. Like I don't know. It said it was tail heavy if you put your fingers where the CG is supposed to be, but it went like if you took your hands off, it just went down like it was nose heavy. So I trimmed the elevons up a bit. Let's see what happens. I bent the wires to make them shorter. It's much better now having those elevons trimmed up. I trimmed them up with the I bent the wires a bit. Still needs to be trimmed up a bit. Can you trim me up, Dad, on the main trim? It's on here. Push up here.
You want it nose down or nose up?
Nose up. That's good. That's level now. It's much better. This thing's really maneuverable. Has unlimited vertical, like that. Lighting's nice. Quite maneuverable. This thing flies great. As you can see, quite maneuverable. It's fast. It can't fly as slow as some of the other Flite Test planes, but yeah, it can fly pretty slow. Hi! It can fly pretty slow. It has unlimited vertical. This is a great like a great intermediate flying plane. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Oh, and Flite Test, they have like a bunch of planes that you can build and a whole bunch of videos. They're really good. So, thanks a lot for watching, my devoted audience. Please subscribe, and we'll see you next time.